Welcome RavTech Gadget Channel, your go-to destination for discovering affordable and stylish home decor. Today, we're diving into the best Amazon finds that will instantly elevate your space and transform your home into a haven. Let's dive in. Here are 15 Amazon home decor finds that will instantly elevate your home and transform your space into a stylish, cozy haven. 1. Mid-century modern accent chair. A mid-century modern accent chair brings sophistication and functionality to any room. Its clean lines and wooden legs provide a timeless look while offering extra seating. Why it elevates your home, adds elegance and can serve as a conversation starter or a focal point in a living room or bedroom. Example, Christopher Knight Home Mid-Century Modern Fabric Accent Chair. 2. Bohemian Woven Throw Blanket. A soft, textured throw blanket in a boho style can be draped over your couch or bed to instantly add warmth and visual interest. Why it elevates your home, adds coziness and layers texture, bringing a relaxed yet stylish vibe. Example, Lush Decor Bohemian Woven Throw Blanket. 3. Sleek wall mirrors. Wall mirrors in modern or minimalist designs open up the space and reflect natural light, making your room feel bigger and brighter. Why it elevates your home, mirrors serve both decorative and practical purposes, creating an illusion of space and adding light to darker areas. Example, Noi-type full-length mirror or Umbra hub wall mirror. 4. Brass or gold floor lamp. A luxurious floor lamp with a brass or gold finish brings elegance and warmth to any corner. Choose a sleek arc design or geometric style to add visual height. Why it elevates your home, adds a touch of glam and makes a room feel more inviting and refined. Example, Brighten Spark Arc LED floor lamp. 5. Scented candles with elegant holders. Scented candles not only create a pleasant aroma but also double as decorative pieces, especially when housed in elegant holders. Why it elevates your home, the combination of fragrance and beautiful holders enhances the ambience and style of any room. Example, Capri Blue Volcano Candle or Yankee Candle Large Jar. 6. Abstract or Botanical Wall Art. Large canvas art with bold colors or serene botanical prints can make a dramatic impact. Opt for pieces that complement the color scheme of your space. Why it elevates your home, art adds personality and style, creating an atmosphere that reflects your taste. Example, MOTINI Abstract Canvas Wall Art or Urban Outfitters Botanical Wall Prints. 7. Velvet Throw Pillows. Throw pillows in luxe fabrics like velvet add instant glamour to your sofa or bed. Play with different sizes, textures, and colors for a dynamic, layered look. Why it elevates your home, adds softness, warmth, and a pop of color, transforming the look of your furniture. Example, MIULEE Velvet Throw Pillow Covers. 8. Geometric or Textured Area Rugs. A striking area rug can anchor the design of a room. Look for one with bold geometric patterns or a plush texture to add dimension and comfort. Why it elevates your home, rugs can define a space, add warmth to hardwood floors, and contribute color or texture to the room. Example, Narasan Aloha Geometric Area Rug or Safavier Hudson Shag Rug. 9. Floating Shelves. Wall-mounted floating shelves provide an organized yet stylish way to display books, plants, and decorative items. Why it elevates your home, they save space, add a modern touch, and offer a neat solution for organizing and showcasing your favorite items. Example, MYREEL Wall-mounted floating shelves. 10. Indoor plants with stylish pots. Adding greenery not only purifies the air but also injects life into your space. Pair low-maintenance plants like snake plants or succulents with beautiful pots. Why it elevates your home, plants add a natural element that complements any decor style, creating a fresh, vibrant atmosphere. Example, Costa Farms snake plant or the Sills pothos plant in a decorative pot. 11. Vintage-inspired clocks. A large wall clock with vintage design elements like Roman numerals or an industrial look can become a statement piece in your home. Why it elevates your home, a stylish clock blends function with design, acting as both a decorative item and a focal point. Example, Howard Miller Oak Mantle Clock or Rossi 24-inch Vintage Wall Clock. 12. Decorative Tray. A chic, decorative tray on your coffee table or ottoman can be used to organize items like candles, books, or small trinkets while adding an elegant touch. Why it elevate your home? It helps you keep things organized while enhancing the overall aesthetic of your living room or bedroom. Example, Kate and Laurel Decora decorative tray. 13. Macrame wall hanging. A macrame wall hanging or tapestry adds a touch of bohemian charm to your walls. These handmade pieces introduce texture and visual interest to any room. Why it elevates your home? Adds a personal, handcrafted element and a relaxed, cozy vibe to your decor. Example, hang your own macrame wall hanging. 14. Industrial pendant lighting. Industrial pendant lights with metal finishes and exposed bulbs are perfect for modern kitchens or dining areas. Why it elevates your home? Pendant lighting is both functional and decorative, and its bold design adds a trendy yet timeless look to any room. Example, globe electric free light pendant lighting. 15. Accent poufs or ottomans. A statement pouf or ottoman adds color, texture, and extra seating. Opt for one in a vibrant color or fun pattern to brighten up your living room or bedroom. Why it elevates your home? Offers versatility and can act as a footrest, extra seat, or even a coffee table. Example, Gorilla Grip Premium Faux Leather Pouf or Nikki Chew Textured Pouf Ottoman. These Amazon home decor finds are functional yet stylish and can make a dramatic difference in any room, transforming your space into a more polished, comfortable, and cohesive environment. Thank you for watching the Rav Tech channel. If you love these Amazon home decor finds, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more budget-friendly design tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Share your favorite find in the comments below, and as always, happy decorating. See you in the next video.